Welcome to a journey of calm and focus. In this exceptional voyage, we invite you to delve into the mystical world of self-discovery and tranquility. Our unique approach simplifies the process of meditation, making it accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Today, you'll explore various techniques, each carefully designed to instill peace and clarity in your life. You're about to unlock the secrets of easy meditation techniques that will transform your life. Meditation is a practice of focusing the mind and achieving mental clarity. This tradition, deeply rooted in various cultures, has offered a gateway to internal peace for countless individuals over centuries. It's a journey within, a practice of self-discovery and acceptance. It involves quieting the mind, anchoring it in the present moment, free from the noise of the past and anxiety of the future. Meditation can increase mindfulness, enhance self-awareness, and promote a sense of calm. Regular practice can foster resilience and enhance mental agility, leading to improved productivity. It can help reduce stress, improve concentration, and bring emotional balance. To start, find a tranquil and serene location where interruptions do not exist. Look for a place where the cacophony of daily life doesn't reach, a spot where tranquility reigns supreme, aiding in your journey towards inner peace. This could be a room in your home, a secluded corner in a park, or even a quiet spot in your garden. Once you've found your peaceful oasis, arrange for a comfortable seating. You could relax on your favorite chair, or if you prefer, sit cross-legged on the floor. Ensure your chosen position allows you to maintain a straight yet unstrained posture. This perfect blend of comfort and discipline is vital for the activity ahead. Remember, the goal is to physically ease into the process yet maintain an alert state of mind. So choose a position that enables this. With all set, sit comfortably, either on a chair or on the floor, with a straight but relaxed posture. Now, let's begin with a simple breathing meditation. This exercise is designed to bring peace and tranquility to your mind by focusing on one simple and natural act: breathing. Close your eyes and immerse yourself in the rhythm of your own breath. Pay attention to the sensation of air entering your lungs and leaving through your nostrils. Each inhale brings fresh energy, and each exhale releases tension. Remember, there's no need to alter your breathing pattern. Just observe it as it is. This process should be completely non-judgmental. If your mind starts to wander during this practice, don't worry or get frustrated. Instead, acknowledge the distraction and gently guide your focus back to your breath, like a diligent gardener tending to a wayward vine. If your mind wanders, gently bring your focus back to your breath. Next, let's explore mindfulness. It's an art form, a way of being that requires one to remain entirely present, ensconced in the moment. It entails a deep observation, a pure reflection on your thoughts, sensations, and your immediate environment without any reaction. Embark on an experimental journey. Pay attention to the ambient sounds, feel the sensations coursing through you. Observe your thoughts, let them drift away like passing clouds. Try this short mindfulness exercise. Notice the sounds around the sensations in your body and any thoughts, letting them pass like clouds in the sky. Consistency is key. While it may not seem like much, dedicating a few minutes each day to mindful practices can contribute to a substantial difference in your overall well-being. It's not about spending hours in silence, but about creating a routine that fits your lifestyle. Consider making meditation an integral part of your daily routine, like brushing your teeth or having breakfast. The trick lies in setting a regular time for meditation, a time when you can disconnect from the outer world and connect with your inner self. To ensure you don't forget or skip this essential activity, consider using reminders on your phone or leave sticky notes in places you often see. They will serve as gentle prompts to help you stick to your practice. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your life begins to change. Embrace this notion and venture on a transformative journey towards an enriched life. Your path to peace and tranquility starts here, today. By consistently practicing, you'll unearth a profound sense of within you. Engage actively in this process, and you'll soon appreciate the power of calmness. A life filled with peace is not a destination, but a journey. Remember, each step you take counts, as every grand journey begins with a single stride. Start your meditation journey and discover a new world of peace and tranquility. Embrace the calm, capture the focus, and let the transformation unfold.